Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put a cover on Reels on Instagram. We start by entering our Reels section and clicking on the one we want to edit. After that, click on the 3 lower points and then on Manage. Now we click on the Edit option. Next, on the cover image, click Edit. Here we will be able to choose a miniature from within the reel, or we can add it from the camera roll. Once we have the thumbnail added, click on Done to apply the changes. Finally, click on the check above to make the changes, and we will see the cover on our reel. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.